Hello everyone, we are going to learn about phonic sound. Phonic sound. Phonic sound is basically sound of alphabets. Here we are going to start with alphabet A. A sound eh, eh, eh. Repeat with me. A sound eh, 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 eh. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ant. B sound b. B, b, b. B for bear. B for boy. B for butterfly. C sound k. K, k, k. C for candle. C for cat. C for cake. D sound d. D, d, d. D for dog. D for duck. D for donkey. E sound a. A, a, a. E for elephant. E for egg. E for eagle. F sound f, 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 f. F for frog. F for fish. F for flower. G sound g, 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 g. G for grapes. G for goat. G for grass. H sound h, 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 h. H for horse. H for helicopter. H for hat. I sound I. E, 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 E. I for insect. I for ink pot. I for igloo. J sound J. J, J, J. J for joker. J for juice. J for jug. K sound K. K, K, K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for cattle. L sound L. L, L, L. L for lion. L for leaf. L for lotus. M sound M. N sound M. M for mango. M for monkey. M for mouse. N sound N. N, N. N for nest. N for net. N for nut. O sound O. O, O, O. O for ostrich. O for orange. O for octopus. P sound pa, 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 pa. P for parrot. P for pond. P for bear. Q sound quack, 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 quack. Q for queen. Q for quill. Q for quilt. R sound r, 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 r. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for rainbow. S sound sh. S sound s. S sound s. S for sun. S for snake. And S for snail. T sound t. T, t, t. T for tortoise. T for tiger. And T for tree. U sound a. A, a, a. U for umbrella. U for up. And U for uncle. V sound v. V, v, v. V for van. V for vegetable. V for vase. W sound v. W sound v, v, v. Watch. W for watch. W for well. W for wheel. X sound x, 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 x. X for Christmas tree. X for Christmas card. And X for X-ray. Y sound ya. Ya, ya, ya. Y sound ya. Ya for Y for yak. Y for yarn. Y for yo-yo. Z sound z. Z sound. Z. 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 Z for zebra. Z for zip. Z for zoo. You can say Z also. Z for zebra. Z for zip. And Z for zoo. Thank you.